Share the flake because having cash is highly addictive, especially when you used to have money to live. You afraid? Give me yours to get laid. Give up because it gets sprayed.
To jest? A, jest. Paluszka. Hmm.